Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of a credit card that's turning heads in the UK rewards and lifestyle space, the Yonder credit card. If you've ever wondered whether traditional reward cards are actually worth your time, or if there's something new and more exciting out there, then stick around. Because by the end of this video, you know exactly what Yonder is, how it works, who it's best for, and how it stacks up against American Express. So let's get started. Yonder isn't your typical rewards card. It's what the company calls a financial membership, somewhere between a modern challenger bank and a rewards credit card that's built around experiences, lifestyle perks, and travel. On the Yonder homepage, you'll see it framed almost like a lifestyle brand with rewards that you actually want, from dining to travel, as well as entertainment, shopping even, and fitness, not just points that collect dust. Here's the unique twist. Yonder combines traditional credit card spending with a curated point system that you redeem for real experiences, restaurants, shows, flights, and travel perks like no foreign exchanges and included worldwide insurance depending on the plan that you choose. Yonder also runs on MasterCard, meaning it's accepted at millions of locations worldwide, and it's not technically a bank, but fully regulated and partnered with a bank so that your money and your credit activity are protected. So let us talk about the main features. The credit card comes of two types. There's the free credit card and there's the full credit card. We'll start with the free credit card. So for the free credit card, you get £10 back on your first spend, and then you turn your everyday purchases into world-class experiences. With this card, there's no monthly fee. You can get this version with zero ongoing charges, and you earn 1 point per every £1 spent. There are no fees on spending abroad, which is super helpful for travelers and city hoppers, and you still get access to Yonder's app and basic rewards. The award-winning app features are there, and you can get up to £10,000 in credits. Plus your welcome offer, which I earlier mentioned, you can get £10 off your first buy. Now, here's the full credit card feature. For the full credit card, you get the first month free and £15 per month is the fees. You also get £10 back on your first spend. You earn up to 5 points per every £1 spent, which is a big jump over the free card. And you have access to all curated partner experiences, from dining, events, entertainment, and lots more. There's a worldwide travel insurance game too, and you can use your points on any flights. You can also use your points for cashback. And another great thing is that if you spend £1,000 in 30 days, you get up to 10,000 points. That's a welcome bonus, a great one. And as earlier mentioned, he has the ability to redeem points for flights, for shopping, for lounge access, and lots more. So meaning that this card doesn't just reward you with small cashback, it unlocks experiences. Plus, Yonder has a top-up feature where you can add your own money onto your credit limits, giving you flexibility while still earning points. So the headline here is the full version is where the magic happens, but it happens at a cost, and that's what we'll analyze next, although we have mentioned it earlier. So let us talk in full details about the pricing of both cards. As earlier mentioned, the free card is free, no monthly fee, and you get a purchase rate of around 32.0 variables. That's the representative APR. And it's also based on a £1,200 limit. For the full card, you get the representative APR at 65.4%, and a £15 per month fee applies, although you get the first month free. It's also based on a £1,200 limit. Now for the full card, the high APR means that this card is definitely best if you pay in full each month. So don't treat this card as a borrowing tool. The biggest cost that you'll face is actually the membership fee, not interest. So as long as you're disciplined and you pay off your balance monthly, then you will enjoy this. And it's worth noting that there are no foreign transaction fees on the full card, which is exceptionally good for a rewards card in this price tier. So what are the pros and cons of using the Yonder credit card? Here are the pros. High earn rates on the premium plan. That is if you're using the full card. There are no foreign exchange fees on the full card, so it's amazing for international spend. The points don't expire, and you can use the worldwide travel insurance on the full card. The fun, lifestyle-oriented rewards are far more exciting than the regular cashback. and it has a MasterCard acceptance worldwide. How about the cons? The monthly membership fee can add up if you don't maximize the rewards, and the APR is high, so it's best you don't carry balances. The experiences are currently more UK focused, so value drops if you're not in a major city. Having considered all of this, is Yonder better than American Express? Well, here's my balanced take. If you're someone who mainly wants practical everyday rewards like travel points, miles on flights, or airline loyalty perks, then AMEX might still edge out overall travel value. But, and this is the big but, Yonder brings something that AMEX rarely does at this price point. First, experiential rewards that you actually want to use. There are no foreign exchange fees without being a premium travel card, and has a modern app experience that simplifies redemption. Also, the points don't expire, and there's a low barrier to entry for everyday lifestyle users. So with all of this, Yonder is better than AMEX. So let's just say, for a card focused on experiences, dining, city living, and flexible redemption, Yonder can absolutely outshine many AMEX offerings, especially entry-level ones that come with annual fees and complex redemption rules. And that's it on the review of the Yonder credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore AMEX Rewards Card, Monzo Credit Card, and Sterling Bank Credit option. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.